Wow, there should be thousands of parts in the warehouse. How do you manage them?
Yes, the whole factory adopts ERP system to manage and control all procedures. And this system covers R&D, production, sales, quality assurance, purchasing, warehousing, finance, and human resources. From incoming material, warehousing, production, inspection, and delivery. Each item is controlled by a single QR code for avoid human error in receiving wrong materials and wrong goods. The whole factory is equipped with a smart connected mobile computer cart for material preparation and inspection.
There are stocks piled here. Won't that affect the quality?
Our plastic injection is plant production. This warehouse is specially used for the inventory of plastic injection products. Our safety stock is based on 1 month, and the inventory you see will be shipped to our customer within a month. So it will be not stacked for too long. This will not have quality variation problem.